Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Helsing selects West Virginia for first US factory to produce AI-enabled HX2 strike drones at scale. Helsing has selected West Virginia for its first US manufacturing base, marking a significant expansion of the European defense technology company's presence in the American market. The site will become part of Helsing's global network of resilience factories and will produce the HX2, an AI-enabled strike drone designed for high-volume manufacturing and rapid deployment. The announcement was made alongside West Virginia Governor Patrick Morrisey. Helsing said the decision follows a competitive nationwide evaluation of potential locations and reflects the state's industrial heritage, skilled workforce, and commitment to rebuilding U.S. manufacturing capacity. The HX2 is already combat-proven in Ukraine, where Helsing said thousands of systems have been deployed to the front lines. The drone has also been tested by Allied armed forces, including the U.S. Army during the flight trap exercise in Lithuania. Helsing described the HX2 as a new generation of affordable precision capability developed for the demands of modern combat. Once fully operational, the West Virginia facility will be able to produce more than 2,000 HX2 drones per month, with room to scale further according to demand. Helsing's decision to establish its first U.S. manufacturing facility in West Virginia is another signal that our state is becoming a destination for advanced manufacturing and defense technology. This investment will create high-skilled jobs, strengthen America's defense industrial base, and demonstrate that West Virginia has the workforce, energy resources, and manufacturing heritage to help lead the next generation of industrial innovation. "We're proud to welcome Helsing to the Mountain State," Governor Patrick Morrisey said. The factory is being planned as the United States works to strengthen its defense industrial base and increase production capacity for military systems. Helsing said the West Virginia site will support that effort by building industrial capacity for advanced defense technology inside the United States. Modern deterrence requires advanced technology and the ability to produce it at speed, at scale, and in sustained volumes. The conflicts of today demonstrate that industrial capacity is a critical strategic advantage. With its commitment to innovation, skilled local workforce, and competitive infrastructure, West Virginia is the right place for Helsing to start building this industrial capacity in the U.S. The comments were made by Dr. Jennifer Mcardle, General Manager of Helsing U.S., who said current conflicts have shown that production capacity is a strategic advantage. Helsing said the new base will give the company a U.S. manufacturing platform for scalable production of the HX2 and potential future demand. Please subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.